Hello, Aries. Welcome to your fall, October, second half of the month love guidance. I know that you guys probably have been waiting for this for some of you guys out there. And I know that, some weeks you just won't get it, but you'll get some content from me. But welcome if you are new. Become a part of the family. Hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button as you're listening if you resonate with this, okay? So, Aries, this is about what's coming in, what's coming up for you guys between the dates of October 16th and the 31st. So, we are going to be looking into a few things here, okay? How you feel about your person of interest, someone that you really like, someone that you're really into, and how are they feeling about you, and also how you see each other. There's more information, Aries, that we can go deeper with. If you want to know more details about this energy, I highly recommend that you get a personal guidance reading with me so that you can go deeper and find out more details about you and a very special person. So if you're interested, there are several ways that you can connect to me at this time, Aries. You can connect to me via ferraricode.etsy.com. There's a link down below. If you click the title of this video, you will find the link there to get a personal with me. Also, if you are interested in having a phone call, I have those memberships, all different kinds of methods and ways that you can connect to me, and all of that information is down below, okay? All right, so Aries, let's talk about what's going on in your love life for the last half of October. So the way I see that you guys are feeling about your love interest during this time is something about needing participation in the connection. It's either from you or from this person, Aries. It could be either one of you guys, and you will know how this resonates with you as you live your life and you go through this time frame. You'll realize which way it's coming from when this comes. But it's about one of you guys needing participation from the other person. Like, I need you to be right here. I need you to be with me for something. Or I need you to play your role. Or I need you to, will you, or it may not be a need. It could just be an honest, innocent question like, will you be with me? Will you be here for this? It's something like that going on. It's about someone needing participation from the other person to be a part of someone's life, Aries. So you could be like really needing your person to be here with you, okay? Or your person could be needing you there with them. This could even be an energy that is exchanged between the both of you. But there's an aspect of someone's life where they need the other person to be in agreement with something, okay? Now, aside from that energy, what I'm picking up from this person is that this person wants you to feel like you're spoken for, right? They want you, Aries, to feel like it's just you and them. And they need that surety, that they need you to be confident in order for this connection to continue working out and in order for you guys to be a success. They see that you can be a success together, but they need your confidence. They need your solid word, your solid confidence that it's just them that you want. Them and only them and no one else in this world. Not just for today, but for the future. And I'm speaking this way because your person is extremely serious. This person is not playing with you. They do not play with you. They never really did, I feel. But at this particular moment, they're extremely serious about this. So at this time, Aries, this person is like, I'm not playing with you, and don't think I'm playing. Who do you love? And if you love me, are you going to love me forever, for a long time? I don't want to give you and then you play me. This person is extremely serious. Now, Aries, it does not mean that it is because you have anyone else involved. It does not mean that you are a player. It does not mean that you had cheated on them. It doesn't mean that you are untrustworthy. It doesn't mean that. What is coming up that I'm getting, and why this person is claiming you so heavily right now and so strongly, is because this person is about to let it be known now that you're theirs and they are yours. But they don't want to feel like, if I do all of this and the Aries doesn't respond the right way, the Aries doesn't be standing right here with me to do this, I'm not going to do it if I know that the Aries is. So what they're doing is they have confidence in you. They do. They have a lot of confidence in you. They absolutely think that you are the person that they want to spend the rest of their life with. Because if they did not think this, then they would not be taking this seriously. So your person wants to let it be known that it's you who they are with, who they love, who they want to spend the rest of their life with. They're making a very important decision, and they want to make sure that 5 years from now you're not going to change your mind about them. 10 years from now you're not going to divorce them. 15 years from now you're not going to want out. 20 years from now you're no longer going to be attracted to them. This person is wanting you to be serious now. That's what they want. They want you to be extremely serious, because everything that's happening right now is leading to something very important for them. Some of you guys are really lucky to have someone who loves you this much, Aries. For some of you guys who have this coming into their life. But this person is like speaking up for you. They're speaking up for this connection. It's no more hiding things. No more. This person's now going to be straight up and honest with you, and they're going to tell you things that's on their mind about anything that they could have been hiding. They want you to know things now. They want to reveal stuff to you now. They're going to be really opening up to you now. They don't want you to hide anything either. They want you to open up as well. But instead of making you do all of this, they're going to do it first and provide the example for you. And then they want you to kind of like follow and say, okay, the person is now stepping up now. They're going to step up now. They're going to take the lead now. They're going to take control of this connection and how it goes, and they want to set the standard for the future with you too, and let you know, okay, I'm letting you in, but I want you to be serious. I want you to understand that me letting you in means more than what you think. I'm letting you into my life so that I can really be with you, because you're my last person. Like, this person is like, you're my person that I want to be with, and I want to be with anybody else. I just want you. And they want you to have that same energy about them. And I feel like they know you do, but they want to make sure that you're aware that this is like long term. That's what they want to make sure. Wow, Aries. So you have a person who's fully committing themselves to you, fully. Now, the way your person feels, this person is waiting for you to move toward them or move with them. For some of you guys, some of you could be moving with this person, but this person is like really working on finalizing an agreement with you right now, or trying to make a final decision about you. This person is keeping things close to them about you and about this connection until they are with you, okay? This person is finished with the planning stage in this connection. They're done planning things. They're ready to move on to the stage of like preparation for you to come into their life. This person is ready to be with you. They're ready to be a couple. So what they're doing is, instead of them waiting for you, because some of you, they're actually waiting for you. And I don't think you saw it that way. I think you think that you were waiting for them. But for some reason, this person feels like they were waiting for you for some reason. So instead of waiting for you, what they're going to do, they're going to come in. They're going to just lay it on the table for you to see clearly what they're trying to do, and they just need your straight, like, clear, concise answer. Will you want this forever? Like, will you want me to be with me, and like, don't play games, right? Your person is very serious. This is someone who is doing this because they're a careful lover. Like, they were careful with their heart. It took this person a long time to finally trust you. It took this person a long time to finally want to settle down. It took them a long time to realize who you are to them and what you meant to them. It took them a long time to figure out if, like, you were serious, and they know you are. And if, like I said, again, if they didn't think these things, then they wouldn't be considering long term. But because this is someone who has gone through a lot of different stages in order to get to this point, they just want you to know where they are. And they're going to be very serious to let you know. So how do you see this person? I feel like a lot of you guys are going to be seeing this person as like someone who's finally free. Finally free. This person is clear, like starting out on a clean slate. They don't have any exes bothering them. They're clearing the path, basically. You see this person as like no longer committed to someone else. This person is accepting you into their life, into their heart. They're at peace. There's something beautiful about this person's spirit, their energy. It's something about music that's coming up really, really strongly with this person as well. This may calm them, may keep them at peace, is what I'm getting here. So you see them really being so at peace now because they finally let something go. All right. Now, the way they see you just needing to have courage right now. And they also see you as a courageous and strong person. They feel like you are very strong. You are so strong because of the things that you have experienced within this connection and outside of this connection. They see you as someone who is like all about taking a chance. It's like your person didn't know that you were actually like, that you would actually want to be with them, right? That you would actually want to really be like, they didn't think at first that you were the settle down kind of person. They didn't know if you really wanted to settle down until it took them some time to really like watch the connection, to nurture the connection, to get to know you. And now that they do, they know that, like, now they know you do want to settle down. You do want to really be with one person, one partner, right? You are loyal. You are determined to be with them. You are determined to love. You are strong. So they just feel like they want you to overcome fear at this time, because they may feel like something inside of you tells you that maybe you won't have them. Maybe there's something inside of you that tells you guys won't ever be together, or that you've been, kind of sabotaging the connection, feeling like they're not doing anything, so you guys aren't going to be together. That's how you see it. That's how you feel. Maybe you had no choice. But your person wants you to be stronger. They don't want you to feel like that. They don't want you to see it like you guys are not going to be together, or that you guys aren't going to make it. This person is like, listen, don't be afraid of this connection. Like, I'm here and I have your back, and I'm going to have your back, and I'm here. I'm right by your side. Don't be afraid of this love, because when I give this love to you, you can't run from it. You can't run from it. I just keep hearing your person saying that. When I come in with this love, promise me you're not going to run. Like, promise me you're not going to just go the other direction when I come in with all this love, because it does come with, as you can see, as you've learned now, Aries, what this love comes with. Your person feels like, oh, now. So now that you know, are you willing to be just as mighty, brave, and strong for them as you are for other areas of your life? Are you willing to fight for them too, for this love? So your person is like, if your person is a warrior, then At this point, you've got to be one too. Okay? And that's all I have. God bless.